Hello guys, hello people, welcome to this YouTube channel Biafra latest updates. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. My people, I saw this video on the internet and I decided to bring it for us to watch. Please do well to watch the video to the end and leave your comments or opinion on the comment section. Every opinion do count on this channel, so do well to write what you think. I'm going to leave the video for all of us to watch, but before then, please do me a favor by clicking on that red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. May God bless you as you do so. See you next time.
As you can see, the guy just came here, posed himself on people, started insulting people here. Everybody is calm here, but Ijele came to the place and started insulting himself. And as you can see now, police have apprehended him. He will end up in jail because he's here making mockery of the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra and making a lot of noise. And you can see what is going on. Now the police have adopted him and moved him out of the venue. He's here all this while boasting and talking rubbish and disturbing the peace of this place. Everybody was calm. Everything was in order until he started raising voice and making a lot of allegations against those in the court and what is happening here today. And as you can see, police has taken him away from this place. He will face the music. The one that happened to him in where he was staying abroad is not enough. Now he has ended up here. You can see what is going on here. People are peaceful. Let's see the procedure of the court. He has been taken away from this place. Okay, Mr. Show is living, and he's promised to be here until he's promised to be here until the vote is over. One useless guy called Ijele has been here this morning making a lot of noise, and he has been taken away by the DSS to answer his query. All the evidence said he has against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, he is going to provide them now because the DSS has taken him away from the court. He has been here all this while ranting, saying a lot of things. But now he's...
Unless they don't bring us, and also, there's a possibility that in the inside, this claim when they come claim, use empty.
Shit.
So ndị uwe ojii abịagwa ebe a ugbu a bịa chụsasịa ndị mmadụ mana ha ka hapụkwara ndị nta akụkọ agbanyeghị na ụfọdụ n'ime ya na-asị ka ndị nta akụkọ pụọ mana ha bịa chụsasịa ndị mmadụ ndị hapụrụ ndị na hapụrụ ndị nta akụkọ so emezibụ na ndị akụkọ nọkọtaziri ọnụ maka otu anya si acha ndị uwe ojii ka ọ bụna na mmadụ nọzukalụ asị onye anwa ka ọ pụọ mana dịka anyị na-anụ kepu ha kpọtabeghị Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na ụlọ ikpe ndị otu anyị nọ n'ime ebe a na-agwa ya na ha afụbeghị ya na nwufume kepụkepụ ma kpọtụgo ya ma kpọtago ya ma kpọtabeghị ya mana anyị ka nọ ebe anyị nọ ka anyị na-elekwe anya mara otu o si aga. I have like less than 20% of my battery left. It's not good anymore. You can see it's swollen. I just noticed it today. It's not as powerful as it used to be. I was even thinking that I would have time to go and buy.
Hello? Ajibola? Hello, sir.
It's supposed to be a
point, the same point, you know, the cameraman, the land is still cool. My boy.
What's the time?
I'm coming, my bit, I go to your cool. My boy.
Are you like?